bad.
Yo, I'm back.
Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Vic. So today we are at, before I say where we're at, I bet you guys can't guess, but spoiler alert, we at Atlanta Powerhouse Performance, and I came to bring them my headers and my intake and some small parts as well, miscellaneous stuff. Take these babies up in here. They're pretty much skunk 2 alpha headers. I know you're wondering why they're not new, but your boy broke, so we on a budget.
Yo, I'm back.
There she is, my dudes. Back to see her again. She's looking feisty. He already put the intake on, looking good. I'm gonna talk to him a little bit. Hopefully we get some more info. Really just a few updates for this video, nothing crazy, but I am buying some few more parts for the car that are needed. And shoot, let's go talk to him or check things out, all right? Ask me what made all this possible. That money. When you got no girl, but all you got is a car. Take my money. All right, so I had to purchase this Hondata for it, so that's gonna be dope. Once the tune comes out, perfect computer for it. Hopefully get all my modifications on that. So I got that and some other parts that he got going for me inside the actual motor. All right, fam, so these are the parts that I got. All right, so I brought the man, Harry himself. He's gonna give me the details on what has happened since the last video. It's pretty much just updates on what's going on with the build, so I can show you guys step by step from what I actually could, because I live like an hour away, so coming here is not exactly financially good for me because I'm broke as free. So let's ask this man, see what he's got to say. All right, what is going on with the build since the last video, bro?
We're wrapping it up. I been doing a lot of wiring, lots and lots of wiring. Rye wire harness was direct plug and play to everything. We ended up getting a adapter harness for the distributor, and basically routing the rye wire harness and plugs back through the factory hole where the factory harness is doesn't really work out that well. Some people try and do it and fight with it, but we end up making our own hole with the grommet underneath the battery tray. Route that inside the cab, hook it up to the computer, and there's a couple wires to tap into the body harness. So we got all that straightened out. Brake lines are all bled, everything checked for leaks, filled with fluids, and my man Victor brought us a header today, so
hey,
we're gonna
that bad boy down over there.
Get it bolted on, hook up the exhaust, and button up a few little last minute things, and we'll be ready to start it up. So I'm pretty excited now. I know you are too.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely excited. Also checked on the suspension, right? So you said that was looking pretty good.
Yeah, we went through all the suspension stuff, found some previous install errors, nothing major, just a lower control arm was put on upside down.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy. It's an easy mistake to make.
Right.
But we went through, because we were worried about that rear passenger wheel. It was sitting lower than the rest. We were wondering about bushings and stuff.
Yeah, true.
Turned out it was just that. So suspension's all good, new axles.
Facts.
I mean, pretty much
need
everything you really need. Everything you really need. And yeah, we'll be ready to start it up here soon. Probably next 2 days or so. We'll be good.
2 days. And we got the Hondata what's this? It's just software, right?
Yeah, so you got your chipped and socketed ECU. It's a refurbished P28 from HA Motorsports. We use them a lot for just socketed ECUs.
Yeah.
And we supply the S300 software in-house.
Right.
Really, a lot of people, we can socket them ourselves, it's no problem.
Right.
But the benefit is, for I think it's like $60 more, you get a refurbished ECU that's been fully tested, gone through, everything in it's been checked, cleaned, and tested. And that is a crucial thing when you're putting all this money and software into it.
Yeah.
You know, you put it in an ECU that's fried and you don't know it and ruin your software, well, there you go. There's nothing you can really do other than replace it all. So this is kind of a little peace of mind. Keep your investment safe and secure.
True that. And A lot of you guys are probably wondering when the dyno is going to happen, and I cannot disclose that because we're not 100% sure. But if you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, you'll be stay tuned for the next video or the next one. We do not know yet, but I will try to update you guys on everything that happens. But as you guys can tell, it's happening and it'll be turned on hopefully soon. He said possibly in 2 days or tomorrow. Not sure yet. They've been hella busy, so we're gonna keep an eye on that, and hopefully this baby starts up and it'll be out in the streets for you guys here soon, breaking necks from left to right and probably getting some girls. Psych. But yeah, so that's pretty much about it, bro, right? Nothing.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Heck
Can't be
yeah.
giving people your numbers. I know everybody wants those numbers. No,
Hey,
no,
got
come
the
build one
numbers.
for yourself.
These are facts. You guys need to come build one yourself. And if you're interested, NATL, Atlanta Powerhouse Performance, what is it, Ackworth? What is it exactly?
Yeah, Ackworth, Georgia, 3655 James Road.
Hey, if you guys need some good stuff, come through. This is the place to come. Very, what is it? Is it OCD?
Yeah.
Very OCD,
yeah.
so they on point. All their stuff's gotta be a certain way because that's the way they like it. As you can tell from the clean motor. And if you haven't seen the last video, you guys need to go watch that because you see a lot more detail. And it's a dope video, so you gotta go see it, alright? And if you're wondering about the wheels, these are not actually gonna be the wheels on it. I have some TE37s, gloss black, blue lettering with Nitto tires wrapped around them. And you probably guys were seeing those soon too as well. That's a little update for you guys, a little sneak peek. I'm not sure if you guys seen it, but you got to follow me on Instagram at DC2.VicVic. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And shoot, we gonna catch you guys on the flip. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys later.